Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me.
Welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in yet again to another episode of Bree on TV, where I am your host, Bree. So today is a content video and we will be unboxing two different fragrance companies that are sister companies. So the first brand that I'll be unboxing is called Oakcha, and the second brand that I will be unboxing is called Lazy Royal. So the reason why I am deciding to do a dedicated video to these two brands is because of the quality of the fragrance from my firsthand experience as to the reason why I decided to purchase the items that I purchased. So this is not a blind buy technically, because I have came into contact with the scent of the fragrance from a coworker and she put me on, and I'm going to unbox, give my review, so that way hopefully I can put you on. All right. Welcome to our world of fragrances. We handcraft our fragrances using premium perfume extracts from across the world. Each fragrance is a unique sensory experience that will leave a lasting impression wherever you go. Tantalize your senses and capture every moment with the perfect fragrance. And just before we continue on with this unboxing, I heavily want to attest with leaving a lasting impression wherever you go. Because of my coworker putting on this scent and it gracing my presence, that's how we got to today's video. Because I was just like, girl. So just off the bat, the way that, stop playing with me. Do you see how that just magnetically closed? I love a good packaging. I know I may be doing too much, but I love a good packaging, and they got that. They got that down to the T. I think we will utilize this inside the packaging for travel purposes, most definitely. But just in case you wanted to leave it on your dresser or wherever you have your perfume or fragrance collection, you can either leave it like this, just to protect the actual fragrance, the bottle, or you can take it out. The company's branding is not too much, but it's just enough. And then on the top, oh, y'all, I'm excited. I'm excited, and I need to calm down, because when I tell you I can smell it already, that's how you know this is finna be a 10 out of 10 review. The fact that I can already smell this fragrance before even opening up the bottle. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Oakcha in the scent Suave. Extrait de Parfum. 1 fluid, 30 milliliter. So if you didn't know, this meets the requirement for if you wanted to travel with this fragrance, because it is 1 fluid liter. No, 1 fluid ounce. FL, fluid ounce. Okay, so I'm on Oakcha's website, and Swevin is inspired by Baccarat Rouge 540. And like I mentioned, I can heavily attest to the fact that this 10 out of 10, 100%. Y'all know this is not a sponsored video. The rating is a 4.8, and it has over 3,000 reviews on their website. Originally, this is going for $49.95 USD, but it is on sale for $10 off. So when I purchased this fragrance, I had a Mother's Day coupon code, so I ended up paying $31.96 for this fragrance. Shipping was $5, and then we had tax, DeKalb County tax. Now what the hell is that? And then I was also taxed Georgia State tax. So this is a unisex fragrance. The perfume is not created for a specific gender. Hypnotic sleep of Swevin, slumber filled with ambergris, deep in English cedarwood cabins. Swevin withholds the capability to wrap your mind in a trance of dreams. Y'all, and I'm kind of scared that that is like 100% true, because it's just something about this fragrance that y'all don't even understand. Top notes: jasmine, saffron, orange, marigold. Heart notes: amberoxan, avernal. Base notes: cedarwood, ambergris, fire, balsam. My thing is, when people talk dupes of Baccarat Rouge 540, I've never received like them being like a trusted source. I don't even want to name the brands that they speak of, because that's like, you know, just me throwing shade, because I personally have not tried it, so I'm gonna just stay in my lane. But they just never came off as genuine. So for those of y'all who are new to my channel, I recently bought, or I was inspired, I was finally coerced to purchase Maison Francis Kirk de Jean Paris Baccarat Rouge 540 Extrait de Parfum for the first time after hearing so much about it. And I really was like head over heels in regards to the scent. But because this was so pricey, even though I caught it on an amazing sale, I am very picky about when and where I wear this fragrance to. With me purchasing Oakcha's brand of the fragrance Swevin, baby, one thing about it, two things for sure. When you come across me, you will come across me smelling like a Baccarat Rouge 540 every time. I'm trying to tell you. So happy that I was put on to this brand, and 10 out of 10, highly recommend. You, if you want to smell like Baccarat Rouge 540 Extrait de Parfum, but you're on a budget like I am, that's why we're making this video, I highly recommend you also go and purchase the brand. You go and purchase the fragrance Swevin. I don't think you will be disappointed. I will be taking this fragrance with me everywhere that I go. I feel like because of how small it is and how compact it is, and just how sleek the appearance of the bottle is, it's an easy just throw it in your bag. And it'll also, I feel like, make my purse, you know, smell like Baccarat Rouge 540 as well. And I love that. So another thing that came inside of the packaging was the information on the card that has their website, their sister company, Lazy Royale, which is the next unboxing we're about to do, and then Oil Perfumery. Okay, transport to a world of luxury and indulgence without the hefty price tag. Save money on your next big purchase. Code for 10% off. Receive $20 gift card towards the brand of your choice when you post a review on TikTok or on your Instagram Reels. I don't know how true that is, so I'm not even finna play around.
Yeah.
So moving along to the second brand, Lazy Royal. Their logo looking like a monkey with a crown on its head. I'm currently on their website and they do sell car fresheners, which is what I got. Reed diffusers. So instead of actual fragrances, because this is a sister company to the brand Oakcha, Oakcha will sell you the dupe for Baccarat Rouge 540 in a fragrance perfume. And Lazy Royale will sell you car fresheners and diffusers of dupes of your favorite perfume brands. Oh shit. I have too many different scents of these fragrances just like slapping me upside my head. Whew, it's very potent. I would definitely say that. Our car fresheners are free of toxins and we are committed to using clean, vegan, and cruelty-free ingredients while never compensating performance. We capture our favorite everyday scents and transform them into luxury car fragrances. We capture your favorite everyday scents. And transform them into luxury car fresheners. No matter what vehicle you're driving or no matter how old or young that you are, I feel like as a female, not only do you want to smell good, but why not take that up like a notch and start, you know, like why only smell like Baccarat when you out and about, when you know, when you get into your car, which is something that you utilize on a daily basis. Your car can also have the scent of Baccarat Rouge 540. That was like the thought process that I had when I came across this brand. I was just like, this is amazing. Not only will I be smelling like Baccarat Rouge 540, but my car too. It's no brainer.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you
One Lake
never been.
car refreshener is inspired by the perfume Delina. I've never tried it. I've heard good reviews about it, so I was like, why not? Cigars in Bed car freshener is inspired by Tobacco Vanilla. I'm not familiar with that brand or that scent, so this is a blind purchase. And Checkmate car freshener is inspired by the one and only Baccarat Rouge 540. So let's spice it up by testing Cigars in Bed first, because the Tobacco Vanilla kind of excited me.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirty.
fan of this scent. So it says tilt it upside down so that way the scent can make its way through the cap. Hang the bottle from the rear view mirror and let your nose enjoy the rest. So I get what they're saying. Once you like hang your car freshener around your rear view mirror, you know, the scent would just, you know, make its way through your car. The next one is Swan Lake.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Just tell me about that work, 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 work.
Gives me mature grown women, but it's not like a 10 out of 10 highly recommend because it's not like my scent. We are now on Checkmate, which is the dupe for Baccarat Rouge 540.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt.
It's not 100% giving Baccarat Rouge 540 dupe. If you still want to go out and purchase the car fragrance scents that I displayed in today's video, you're more than welcome to do so. I paid $8.76 for each because I utilized a Mother's Day coupon code. They're originally $10.95 per car fragrance. I hope you found this video helpful in regards to my review on the best Baccarat Rouge 540 dupe, with Swevin being a 10 out of 10 you must go buy from the brand Oakcha. And then in regards to the brand Lazy Royal, you can just do with that information on my review as you please if you are in the market to buy yourself a car freshener.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work.